thinking. Okay, basic color changes or more advanced options like embedding logos, different patterns, or border styles. I'm thinking kind of like all of them, but maybe I am not 100% sure though. Okay, so I'm thinking about I am actually let's use color changes, mainly because maybe someone wants to build their QR code with their branding. Color changes, embedding logos, let's say different shapes, different patterns, and border styles, basically. So basically all of them. For Wi-Fi credentials, should users manually enter SSID and password, or do you want the any automated detection capabilities? No, I want the user to add it manually. Mainly because it's not gonna be an AI, a mobile app that will run behind the scenes, or that will run this app. It won't be a mobile app, right? So otherwise, if I would do the automated detection, it's gonna be a lot of work and a bit of a pain in the ass, and I don't want that. So 4. Are there any validation requirements for the different data types like URL? You can choose which method you want. Actually, I'm thinking for URL format, for URLs, there should be a format checking, because I want to make sure that there is an actually valid URL, right? And okay, storage and persistence. Do you want users to be able to save their generated QR codes to revisit later, or is this more of a generate and download experience? I want the users to save their generated codes to revisit later. It's exactly what I said before, because right now, if a user like if I'm mistyping something, I want to be able to change that, to edit that later on, right? So I want to delete it if I don't need it anymore, right? Okay. Should there be any analytics or usage tracking for the generate? Yes. 7. When you mention potential high volume usage, are you thinking hundreds, thousands of, or tens of thousands of generations per day? I don't know, hundreds? Let's say hundreds, but I don't know. But I am unable to say for sure. Would you consider offering this as a service to other developers via an API in the future? Maybe. Let's see what Google AI is doing. Oh, well, it actually did. Let's say www.youtube.com. Well, let's see www.google.com, and then let's change the color. And this works. Size, well, this is huge. Error correction, that is okay. We can use a text, email. Oh yeah, email too now. And this, okay, that works too. Google did a pretty good job. Yeah, Google did a pretty good job so far, and it did not ask all these questions, but it also did not add all the things that I'm telling Biela to do now. So we do have user management and security. For user registration, are you thinking email-based verification, or would you also want social? No, email-based. Two, should there be different user key or roles? So there should be different roles, and yeah, I think, yeah, one main role, or actually I'm gonna say role, huh? Roles? Yeah, roles. By default, the free user will have only 3 QR codes that can have let's see. Let's see. Let me just check a few things. Actually, I'm thinking to So there should be there should be different roles. By default, the free user will have only 3 codes generated at a time. If he has 3 QR codes generated, he should have to upgrade his gear to be able to generate more QR codes. Good. 3. Any specific requirements for password security or user data protection? Characters and numbers. 4. How should user organize their saved QR codes, categories, tags, folders? I'm thinking tags and chronologically. Chronological. Good. 5. For the edit functionality, which aspects should be editable after creation? Just the visual customization, or also underlying the data? Well, both. But the thing is here that if a user wants to upgrade their, or let's say that they have already 3 QR codes generated, right? Then they can, and they need another one, they can update one of those already generated QR codes with this. But even so, yeah, let's just skip it. Should there be sharing capabilities where users can share their... Yes. 7. Logo image handling. For logo embedding, what file types and size limits are you considering? Let's say PNGs, and the size you can use whatever you think is best for this. Because I have no idea, I did not really think about this before. That's why I'm actually using this plan mode, because there are questions that I've never thought about for projects like this, and the AI will come up with these kind of questions and will help me clarify the idea. First of all, the idea in my head, and the app will contain that, or will be represented, will represent the idea. The app will represent the idea in my head, right? Okay. Should users upload their own logos, or would you also provide a library of common? No. The users will upload their own logos. 9. Any image processing requirements, automatic resizing, you pick. Whatever you think is needed. Actually, resizing